Have you ever seen those massive, juicy tomatoes that look almost too perfect to be real? The Amish have mastered the art of growing giant, flavorful tomatoes without a single drop of synthetic chemicals. Their secret? A blend of time-honored traditions, natural fertilizers, and pure dedication to the land. Today, we're diving into how the Amish grow these incredible tomatoes and how you can do it too. The Amish have a deep-rooted respect for the land. Unlike modern industrial farms, they rely on organic, sustainable methods passed down through generations. They believe that healthy soil leads to healthy plants, and their approach to farming proves it. One of their biggest secrets? The soil. Amish farmers focus on enriching the soil naturally using compost, manure, and crop rotation. Instead of chemical fertilizers, they use composted cow, horse, and chicken manure, full of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. This creates the perfect environment for tomato plants to thrive. Another key to their success is the use of heirloom seeds. These seeds have been carefully saved and passed down for generations, chosen for their size, flavor, and resilience. Unlike genetically modified seeds, heirloom varieties adapt to their environment, producing bigger and better fruit over time. You might wonder, how do they keep pests away without pesticides? The Amish use companion planting, introducing beneficial plants like marigolds and basil, which naturally repel harmful insects. They also encourage natural predators like ladybugs and praying mantises to keep pests in check. To give their tomato plants an extra boost, the Amish make a special compost tea. They soak compost in water, creating a nutrient-rich liquid that feeds the plants and strengthens their roots. This natural fertilizer enhances growth and helps the plants resist diseases. Pruning is another Amish secret. By removing excess leaves and non-fruiting branches, the plant focuses its energy on producing bigger tomatoes. They also use sturdy wooden stakes or trellises to support the vines, preventing disease and ensuring maximum sun exposure. Mulching is key in Amish tomato farming. They use straw, wood chips, or dried leaves to cover the soil, keeping moisture in and weeds out. This method also regulates soil temperature, helping tomatoes grow faster and healthier. When it's time to harvest, the Amish pick only the ripest, healthiest tomatoes. They then save the best seeds for next season, ensuring a continuous cycle of strong, delicious crops year after year. The Amish have proven that you don't need chemicals to grow giant, delicious tomatoes, just patience, care, and natural methods. By enriching the soil, using heirloom seeds, and working in harmony with nature, they've perfected a system that produces some of the best tomatoes in the world. Want to try these techniques in your own garden? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening secrets.